people with COPD often struggle to shower independently. Their limited mobility, medical equipment, and the need to avoid bending can make it difficult to move safely in a standard bathroom. A rolling tub tray can help address these issues. It keeps important items within easy reach, minimizes the need for bending, and allows users to pull the tray closer whenever necessary.
Our product began with a group discussion where we brainstormed the main problem and identified the key stakeholder. We then discussed the requirements needed to make the design realistic and easy to use. Finally, we designed the product in CAD to visualize how it will function, taking into account stability, force, and pressure. For our first prototype, we focused on designing the tray. In a small-scale model, we created a sinkhole in the middle and added a top compartment. The tray is slightly angled toward the center so that water can drain into the sink instead of accumulating on the surface. In addition, this design includes a sliding mechanism that allows the tray to be pulled in and out, simulating how it will function during actual use. We also added a front handle so the user can easily pull the tray toward them.
Our third prototype was a wooden model that we used to simulate the function of two types of width adjustments for the Easy Shower. If a bathtub is larger than the Easy Shower's dimensions, it needs our width extension attachments to hold up the weight of the Easy Shower and the pressing downward force of the user. Our fourth prototype was machinability testing of multiple surface materials for the top of the sliding tray. We used the mill for our tests and performed a qualitative analysis as well. We found that the polycarbonate plastic material had the best texture and machinability for our application.
One of the criteria for our design was that it had to be securely attachable to a bathtub for long-term use, but it also had to be temporary and removable. In our prototyping, we attached pieces of the aluminum frame to my bathtub with butyl tape to test its feasibility for this. It was certainly strong enough, and as you can see, the cleanup with a simple Clorox wipe left no trace after its use. Our design features a metal frame that serves as a stationary foundation for the sliding tray. We made it by cutting several different aluminum pieces to length and welding them together according to the dimensions and specs given to us by our sponsor. The final prototype of our design culminates in a fully functional rolling bathtub tray. The tray is equipped with a sink basin, a faucet, a detachable shower head, and a drain plug, allowing for direct connections to running water and for users to easily bathe effectively and independently.